Definitely got a lot of inflammation, a lot of pain in there, but just kind of do your best. Hands are going to go right about there. Just kind of do fine, man. Just let everything just relax. Just right there. There we go. We're right there. That's it. You let everything go. Just let it sink in the table. Relax as much as you can. Breathe in. Breathe in. Yep.
Oh, shit.
Catch your breath.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you did good. I know, give you a minute.
Oh, shit. Oh my God.
Good.
Definitely sore.
Yeah, you're gonna be sore.
Oh my God, that fucking.
Exactly what you needed right there.
Oh, that cracked.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, that was that was worth the trip down here. Shit.
From Quebec. Yeah, I know. You guys can't do this up there.
Oh. That was
I
good.
hear you, man. Good. Yeah. So much compression. We'll see how you feel getting up here.